So far we've set up a random number. We've started a loop that's going to allow the user to enter guesses. And then we've looked at the keyboard to see if the user's entered a whole number. Next, we're going to take that guess and we're going to see whether the user guessed too high, too low, or if they won, they got the right number. We'll do that with a condition, a test that uses an if statement. So if the user's guess, and we stored that in a variable called guess, is less than the number that we chose above, then we might want to do something like we might want to do something like a system.out.println and tell the user that their guess is too low, try again. Notice what I've done here. I've used the number that the user typed in from their guess at the keyboard, and I've told them that, for example, if they typed in 50, I would say 50 is too low, try again, if our random number is bigger than 50. Next we could say else, otherwise, if it's not too low, let's see if they guessed too high. Else if guess is greater than the number. Pardon me. Then I could say system.out.println. And once you see the right entry, you can just use Eclipse to autofill that in. We can tell them that their guess, whatever number they typed in, and then we add a space so that that number doesn't run right up against our word is too high. And we tell the user it's too high, try again. Finally, there's only one other possibility. The user guessed correctly. So if it's not too low and it's not too high, we don't even have to do another else if. We can just say else. Otherwise, else system.out.println guess is correct. Notice we use the plus symbol to concatenate or add together output strings. We do that with any kind of strings, actually. So we use the plus symbol there, and we start a new string with quotation marks. It is correct. You win. And if we've typed this correctly, our while statement will now allow the user to keep guessing until their guess is equal to the number. Then this while statement will no longer loop. It'll fall out of the end of the program. So in just a second, we'll give this a try and see how one run of our program works.